Hello, this is Jackie with J&M Reviews, and today I'm very excited to talk about Design Wellness. And I was provided this product as a sample by them, so thank you, Designer Wellness, for that. They have different flavors. We have strawberry banana, raspberry passion fruit, blueberry vanilla, and mixed berry. So all of the pouches are 120 calories. They are naturally sweetened. They have protein. They don't have any gluten. They're non-GMO. This is how it looks. It doesn't. It's low carb, low sugar, and it's a very snack friendly for kids and adults. It doesn't need refrigeration unless you open it. But other than that, it tastes delicious. It tastes just like the fruit. It tastes like a fruit juice, but it doesn't have all the sugar that fruit juice has. And it has protein, so that's great. I like them after working out, and I like them as a snack. I hope you enjoy them as much as I do. Thank you for watching my video.